everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the 5K action camera. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna check it out and see how it works. If you've been following me a while, you know I have one of those 360 cameras, but I don't have a single action camera like this. So that's what this one's gonna do for me. So let's see how it looks here. It looks just like the GoPro kind of concept of cameras. It looks like it's got a little waterproof plastic case on it, and it's got the GoPro mounts on it, just like all the other GoPro stuff. Here is the battery charger, it looks like. There, like that. So, and it'll connect up through USB-C. It also comes with a lavalier mic, kind of cool. You can connect it to a microphone. I'm opening up all the different pieces and parts out of here, so we'll see as we go what we've got. Okay, so this next little box has a zip tie, a cable tie, and some other stuff. I guess probably so you don't lose it. And some straps. There's some straps here. Comes with a lot of different straps. Here's like a bicycle handle mount. One of those ones that'll mount onto that. Let's see, on the other side here, oh my gosh, we have so many different mounts and pieces, but we'll go through them all. So here's a big mount there. We have one of those little ones that lets you change directions on there. Another just extender piece for the GoPro one. Here's another one here that also has a screw hole in it for a tripod mount. Another little extender piece for a GoPro mount. Another one. You can just keep going every angle in the world. Here's a whole case kind of thing that'll probably connect it up onto a tripod. Here's another one that's kind of curved. And that also has the mount that kind of clips in, so you can clip it into your helmets and stuff. Here's the base plate for the ones that clip in. Here's a different back. Oh, this back has, is it open? I think it has like holes in the back. So this one here is probably for if you need air in there. So if it's a hot day or something like that, this one looks like it's a waterproof one. And then we have a couple of batteries. So these are what the little batteries look like. And we have a big book. So this is the book for it. So let's kind of see what we got here. We have 5K action camera. And here it's got shutter buttons, screens, all these different things, and all the different mounts. It kind of explains what each of those different mounts and things are in there. And then it has an app for it, I guess best action camera app in here somewhere. It had a barcode on the side, but you could turn on the Wi-Fi and connect it up to your phone to transfer the videos and stuff as well. So let's look at this camera here. So this is how we open it. I've had GoPros in the past, so I have the concept down of how they work. Oh, it's funny. It's inside the little package. It has the little plasticky stuff. So there we go. So that's what it looks like there. And then the battery will go in here. So we will open up one of the batteries and slide it in. There you can kind of see it's got the little metal pieces that will connect to each other. So there, now it should have a battery in there. The power on there. There we go, powering up. Hello. And, it's a touch screen. So what do we do? Month, day, year is what we use here. And so it's 2024. Let's see if I can make you guys see here. And we are at, what month is it? It is 7, I don't know what it is, 25 maybe? I don't know. Hey, what's the date today, Ryan? 24th. There, 24. So then we'll do check. Time. What time is it? 6:31. So 6 would be 18:31. Oops, 8:16 set. You can use the buttons on the side too. 18, And then we will go to 31. Oh, we're there, 31. And we'll do the check mark there. So long press power to confirm to on off the short is OK button. OK. Switch between recording and shooting modes. Swipe up to open the mode selector. OK, so here we go. It wants to go to a QR code. Enjoy your action camera. So here we are. So let me see. Oh, was there supposed to be a place for the SD card? Oh, yeah, right there. I have to put a SD card in there. Oh, I keep pushing the button in the back. Oh, I've got all these different things here. Video resolution. I could do 4K, 2.7, 5K, 5K at 30 FPS. So that's going to be something new. I haven't seen that on anything. So we'll do that one. Let's see, settings. We have image rotation, screen brightness, anti-flicker, angle. I don't know. So we'll go back. Okay, so here we are in screen recording mode. But let me go see if I can find a chip and we can record. I think I have one over here. I have one that was plugged in to my computer. So it looks like it's going to go this direction. Oh. Here we go. So here we go. So here we are. No files. No files. So let's see if we want to record. Start recording. Okay, so we're recording now. So I'm recording me. And how cool. And whatever I do, I do. So you can see there's me. So maybe I'll try to make one of these videos on that. Just see if action, move back and forth, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, there we stopped the recording. Now if we go to, I think it was swiping, right? Oh, this is just photo mode. Makes this photo sound. How do I get back to the pictures? That's video. I think maybe I had to swipe up and down. Yeah, it's just photo, between photo and video is the swiping left and right. That's lock and power. Here we go. Different settings here. Time-lapse photo, time-lapse video, Wi-Fi settings. So here, I'm going to connect it up to my my phone. I'll show a recording. I'll show a video up here or here of it. But this is really cool. A nice little device. I'm going to play around with it a little bit more and maybe show you another video of it. Okay, so I connected to the phone on my iPad. So that was a good idea, because I was going to use my phone. But there we go. So we can see, like, now we have a live view of it, and it's pretty good quality, even just for the live view of it right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's the way it looks there. So let's see if we can get to our photos here and see what we did a video of. Here was our video from before.
Recording.
Okay,
so we're
look at that.
Now.
Oh.
I'm recording me, and how cool, and whatever I do. So you can see there's
There.
me. So maybe I'll try to make one of these videos on that. Just see if action, move back and forth, blah, blah, blah. Okay.
So there we go. So it made a pretty good video here of it. Probably if I download it to my computer, I'll have it too. But you can see it's got the time, date up at the time there. And it's cool. I like that. So pretty neat little camera. So that's what it looks like. So seems to do pretty good. Nice little device and super easy to use. I was able to connect up to it. I'll read some more of these things here. It looks like it's got a screen on the front, so you could do selfie mode, I guess, on this as well. So I'll probably play around with that. Maybe I'll record a few of my new videos with that and use some of these straps and connect things up and connect up the sound. It looks like this one here can connect up to it too. Let me see if I get out of this mode. Probably got to turn this on somehow. Power. Might need to be charged. Doesn't light up. But that would be for the... Oh, there it is. Oh, it's on. It's got power on. probably gonna have to connect this as well, but that's kind of cool. Pretty cool that it comes with this and this and you got everything. And then I can put it in here, so if I go scuba diving, I can take it with me, and maybe I will try that. Maybe I will go scuba diving and take it with me and see how that works. Pretty sweet little camera. I don't know, you can see it right through there. Oh, it's got the little plastic on it. There, that'll probably even make it clearer. Super clear. You can't touch the screen though, no. Haha, you gotta use the buttons if you're gonna do it that way. But it does work, so good. And if I hold it down, will it turn off? Yep, bye. So, super cool, thumbs up.